Do you ever feel like your digital notes are a black hole, where important information goes in but never comes out? It can be frustrating to know you wrote something down, but just cannot seem to find it again when you need it most. Imagine having a superpower to instantly pull up any piece of information from your entire note collection, without endless scrolling or guessing. The best note search features in apps go for beyond simple keyword matching. They transform your digital archive into a dynamic, instantly accessible knowledge base, primarily through powerful full-text search, optical character recognition, and robust tagging and filtering systems. These advanced capabilities are what truly make your notes a valuable study tool, ensuring you can retrieve information quickly and efficiently whenever you need it. These sophisticated search functions are vital because our notes often contain diverse content, not just plain text. We might have scanned handouts, handwritten diagrams, or even embedded images that hold critical information. Full-text search allows you to look within every part of your notes, including attached documents like PDF files and Word documents. Additionally, optical character recognition, or OCR, is a game-changer because it enables the app to read text within images, including your own handwriting, making virtually everything you capture searchable. Effective tagging and metadata are also crucial because they provide structure, allowing you to categorize and connect related ideas across different notes, making retrieval incredibly precise. To truly harness these features, start by consistently organizing your notes with a clear tagging system and logical notebook structure. When searching, begin with precise keywords, but do not be afraid to combine filters such as tags, dates, or even specific note types. Many advanced apps support complex search syntax, letting you use terms like a ND, OR, and an OT to narrow down or broaden your results with impressive accuracy. Practicing these search methods regularly will build your proficiency and help you retrieve information almost instinctively. An insider tip for power users is to leverage saved searches or smart folders. These allow you to store frequently used or complex search queries, instantly pulling up relevant information with a single click. Think of them as dynamic, self-updating collections of notes based on your criteria. This functionality, coupled with seamless cross-device synchronization and cloud integration, means your meticulously organized and searchable knowledge base is always current and available, whether you are on your phone, tablet, or computer. Ultimately, mastering these advanced search capabilities means transforming your digital notes from a static collection into a powerful, living knowledge system. By actively utilizing full-text search, OCR, and smart tagging, you are not just finding information. You are building a more robust and responsive learning toolkit. This empowers you to recall facts, connect concepts, and prepare for exams with greater confidence and significantly less stress, turning every note you take into a strategic asset for your academic success.